The Watson surname, like many Scottish clans, has its roots in Gaelic and Old English. It is believed to be a patronymic name, meaning son of Walter. Walter, in turn, is derived from the Old High German name Waldhar, meaning ruler of the army. As such, the Watsons are, in essence, descendants of those who bore the name Walter. The first documented appearance of the Watson surname in Scotland dates back to the 14th century. In 1392, a John Watson held lands in the historic city of Edinburgh, marking the clan's presence in the nation's capital. The name also appeared in other Scottish towns and regions, including Aberdeen, Arbroath, Lanark, and Dumbarton. The leadership of Clan Watson has had its share of twists and turns over the centuries. While the early history of the clan's chieftains is somewhat obscured, records indicate that the chiefship is currently dormant, with the last known chief being James Watson of Saughton in 1818. Nevertheless, the spirit of the clan remains alive and well through various clan societies, including the Clan Watson Society International, based in Colorado, USA. The Watson surname is widespread throughout Scotland, with notable concentrations in Aberdeenshire, Moray, Aberdeen City, Fife, Edinburgh City, and the Lothians. These regions have been witness to the enduring presence of Clan Watson over the centuries. One of the most enduring legacies of the Watson clan is George Watson's College in Edinburgh. Established as a hospital in 1741, it transitioned into a school for boys in 1871. In 1974, it merged with its sister school, George Watson's Ladies' College, further solidifying its status as a prominent educational institution. The college is still maintained by the Edinburgh Merchant Company.